Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make rasam. Rasam is a South Indian traditional Indian recipe. So in most of the houses for lunch they keep rasam. So you can store rasam for 2 days. You can keep rasam with tuvar dal or without tuvar dal. Today I am going to make rasam with tuvar dal. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make rasam. In a pressure cooker, I have taken 1.5 spoon of tuvar dal in this spoon. Add little turmeric powder. Just take out the center brown part of tomato, cut it into four pieces like this. Add it. Pour 400 ml of water. Pressure cook it nicely. Now in a mixer jar, add 3 to 4 pieces of garlic, 1.5 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 3 red chilli, dry powder it. In a bowl, add little tamarind, pour 100 ml of water, soak it for some time. Now the dal is pressure cooked. Mash the tomatoes with the masher or use your hand. This is 7 to 8 pieces of pounded garlic. Now on the stove, heat the pan, pour 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Season it with mustard seeds. Add little asafoetida. Allow it to splutter. Add 1 red chilli, curry leaf, pounded garlic, and then add grinded masala. Now add the dal, tomato, water in it. Allow it to boil. Add tamarind water also. Just sort and see, if need add water. Once it get boiled and pop up and come, you can turn off the flame. Now in an empty vessel, add chopped coriander leaves. Add required amount of salt. Transfer the rasam to this container. Now yummy South Indian rasam is ready. You can consume if you have fever, cold or stomach upset. This helps a lot. If you like the video how to make rasam, please subscribe and comment. Yummy rasam is ready.